Israel's war machine is trembling right now, and this time the cracks are showing in full view. As the Occupy Gaza campaign drags into its second week, their Prime Minister, Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu, is staring at setbacks that are both military and political. Well, the latest blow here, an Israeli Air Force drone crashing in the southern Negev desert. That is far from the front lines, right? Raising serious questions about the army's much celebrated technological edge. But this wasn't the only loss here. Inside Gaza, the Israeli troops are locked in some of the fiercest battles since the ground invasion began. Reports of soldier casualties are mounting, with Hamas claiming that its fighters are digging in, using tunnels and booby traps to wear down the IDF. Every single Israeli soldier lost on the ground is not only weakened the campaign, but also fuels criticism back home where Mr. Netanyahu's leadership is already under fire. And here's a bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen. While Israel struggles, its enemies are watching closely and quietly. Here we are talking about the Houthis in Yemen, Hezbollah in Lebanon, and even Iran itself. Now, these groups are calculating every single weakness, every failed operation, every embarrassing loss. For them, Netanyahu's difficulties in Gaza are proof that Israel is not unbeatable. And yes, this is where the political cost kicks in. Mr. Netanyahu came into this war promising swift victories and decisive blow against Hamas. Instead, his government is now facing a drip of failures and drone loss over here, casualties piling up there, and no clear endgame in the sight. The longer the fighting continues without a breakthrough, the more isolated Israel becomes on the diplomatic stage. Allies are uneasy, critics are louder, and the international spotlight on Gaza's civilian toll is only getting sharper. So, the question is, what does this all add up to? A picture that Mr. Netanyahu does not want the world to see. Israel bleeding slowly, its technological superiority questioned, its military strategy stuck in quicksand, and its enemies silently taking notes.